So, and in case number 3, at discount, number of debentures issued, we will be using the same formula, purchase consideration divided by issue price of debenture. So, we have written the purchase consideration in numerator as 1,10,000, it is given in the question, and issue price, since it is at discount, so 100 minus 10. We have assumed that a discount of 10%. Always remember, discount or premium should always be calculated on face value. So, 10% of 100 gives you 10, 100 minus 10 gives you 90. So here you can see the number of debentures is 1222.2 debentures. So as per the rule of company accounts, 0.2, if any debentures comes in the form of fraction, that fraction amount has to be paid in cash. Cash is to be paid for the fraction amount. Now how to calculate the fraction amount? How much cash is to be paid for the balance amount? 1,10,000 is the total agreed price, alternatively known as purchase consideration, minus 1222 multiplied with 90, since it is issued at discount. So here you get 1,09,980 rupees. Okay, so after deducting 1,09,980 from total purchase consideration, 20 rupees which has come, this amount has to be paid in cash. So this is how the calculation goes if any fraction amount is given. Fraction amount, as per the company law, you have to offer cash for that, and for the remaining, debentures will be issued. For the fraction amount, that is for the balance amount, cash is to be paid. Now after going through this formula or method, let's see a question. The question is asking you what details are given. Let's see. A company purchased assets of 9,90,000 from another firm. It was agreed that purchase consideration will be paid by issuing 11% debenture at the rate of 100 rupees each. Pass entries, and all the three cases are given: at par, at discount, at premium, and discount. Okay. As you can see, I have written the debenture. The entries are here. Vendors account debited 2% debentures if it is issued at premium. At par. If it is issued at premium, then vendors account debited to securities premium account 2% debentures. And if it is given at discount, then vendors account debited, discount and debentures account debited 2% of debentures. Now same entry will be used here, but we have to look into the amount. For the amount calculation, this middle part is for the amount calculations. Now let's see the question. Since the asset is purchase of 9,90,000, the first entry will be passed as sundry assets account debited to vendors account by 9,90,000. Remember students, when you pass entry, it is a mandatory thing that you should write narration. Okay, though I have not written narration, but I will be verbally, I'm telling you that what narration you have to write, being assets purchased, like this. Okay, so mandatory narration is a mandatory, as it is a very important part of journal entry. So narration is nothing but the, in brief, you are writing what entry you have passed. That's it. Issued at par. Now vendors account debited to 11% debentures. How the calculation has come? Look into the working note there. Total purchase considerations was 9,90,000. As per the formula, purchase consideration should be divided by issue price of debenture. So here total purchase consideration is 9,90,000, and since it is issued at par, the amount is face value is 100 rupees. Therefore, when you divide 9,90,000 by 100, you will get 9,900 debentures. Since the issue price is 100, so when you divide 9,900 debentures multiplied with 100, it gives you 9,90,000. So this is the calculation shown here for coming up this 9,90,000. Now the next part, if it is issued at premium. So vendors account debited to 11% debentures account to securities premium account, since it is a capital receipt. Now again we will write the same formula, purchase consideration divided by issue price. Since the issue price is it is at premium of 10%, question it is given in the question. Alright, it is mentioned, or it is assumed that if it's premium, then we will take it as a 10%. We have assumed in this question. So 100 plus 10 is 110. So 9,90,000 when divided by 110, it gives you 9,000 debentures. When 9,000 debentures is multiplied with 100 rupees, it gives you 9 lakh. Okay. Now For the calculation of premium amount, so same 9,000 debentures will be multiplied with 10. How this 10 has arrived? You can see here 100 is the face value and 10% of this face value, yani ki 100 is 10. So 9,000 multiplied with 10 is gives you 90,000. So at 11% debentures account, the amount is 9 lakh. This 9 lakh comes from here, and securities premium account, the calculation shown here. So when you add up this, the vendors account debited with 9,90,000. Now let's see if it is issued at discount. Vendors account debited to 9,90,000. Debentures account, discount and issue of debentures is 1,10,000 to 11% debentures account. So when you add up this 9,90,000 and 1,10,000, you will get 11 lakh. Now how the amount has come? Purchase consideration, it is given 9,90,000 divided by issue price. So how this issue price has come? Again the same thing, 100 into 10%, that gives you 10. 100 minus 10 gives you 90, since it is issued at discount. Okay, so 9,90,000 is divided by 90, it gives you 11,000 debentures. When you multiply 11,000 debentures with 100, it gives you 11 lakh. This 11 lakh has been shown in 11% debentures account. For discount amount, 11,000 debentures already mentioned, already we have calculated. 11,000 debentures multiplied with 10. 10 is your discount amount. So 11,000 multiplied with 10 gives you 1,10,000. Here we have written 1,10,000 in the discount column. Okay, so when you add up this, you get 11 lakh. So this is how the calculation goes when issue of debentures to vendor. In 3 cases, at par, at premium, at discount. How to calculate the number of debentures? By dividing purchase consideration with issue price of debenture.